Hey guys, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. I want to do a quick demonstration of my Math Whiz template. This template actually was the top senior portrait in the nation in the Professional Photographers of America's international competition. So it's a very successful image for me, and I'm letting you guys use this for your own subjects. With the instant download, you'll get a full tutorial that explains all about lighting your subject and how to use the different layers. With this quick demonstration, I want to just give you a glimpse into how these layers work and some of the options that you can create with it. The subject does not have to be sitting in a chair. You can have them standing up. You can have them sitting on a pile of books. You can have them sitting on a normal chair or bench or whatever you'd want them to be doing. It'll teach you how to draw the shadows within that so they look realistic, and tone the subjects so that they fit into the scene also. There's a light bulb and light rays that you can move around. The walls can move. You can crop that in tighter or make it wider, whatever you like. There's both a horizontal and vertical template, so just in case you want a more vertical orientation, you have both options available with the download. And this will look really cool for athletes. Have them dress up nice and then have some of their sports equipment in their hands. It's going to look pretty cool that way too. This is a pretty fun template for athletes and non-athletes alike. One last thing, here's the vertical template. On both the vertical and the horizontal template, I had a last minute addition where I added in a book layer where your subject can be sitting on books. Here's this subject here. You could have your subject just sitting in a chair, remove the chair, and then place them on the books. They look like they're in the scene. Hope you enjoy this international award-winning image.